Give it to me like.
My marigolds are glowing right now. So pretty. Look at this seed dahlia with a bee. Are you drunk, man? You're not even getting off. I think he's drunk. Oh. And all these cool marigolds. Whatever, cucumber or melon. Looks like a melon. We don't grow very many melons in Utah, but I grew a melon. Here's another seed dahlia. And some more glowing. Oh, another drunk bee. He's gonna be dead. Hey, dude. Did you forget to wake up? Glowing. And then this is a really cool blush tomato that I'm eating. Aren't these colors cool? I'm getting a lot of comments about these. I don't know what they are. I'm sorry. I got them in a trade. You wonderful friends that I make online. And then I just put them in a winter sowing jug. Hey, you guys want some of these seeds? Comment below. Send me a PM. Like and subscribe to my video. I'll send you some seeds. They are so fun. Here's like an orange yellow. I think my favorite ones are these. It looks like colossal red. Have I heard that before? Colossal red marigold? I might have to look that up. That might be what they are. Aren't they pretty? We're getting rained on right now too. So I'll be looking for a PM on Facebook Messenger under Jane Esplin, E-S-P-L-I-N, or comment under here on this video and I'll send you some seeds. I don't think I have enough. Look how many are here. I'm going to be doing this again. Just stick them in your winter sowing jug. See, this is like 2 or 3. I think it's only 2 jugs. I honestly do. But if I had put more around the yard, can you imagine how amazing that would have been? All right, go have fun in your yard. Hopefully you're getting some rain. So pretty here right now. Let me see if you can even see the mountains. Yep, right there. And it's still just sprinkling though. It might start downpouring, but not yet. All right, go have fun. See ya. Bye.